Hi, my name is Amar. In this video, I will discuss how to create Eponymous in case of iOS and app shortcuts in case of Android with the help of Quick Action Library. Here, I have created the project Quick Action Flutter GetX by using the getCLI tool. After creating the project in the pubspec.yaml file, I have taken a dependency named as Quick Actions. After that, I have synchronized the project. Okay. Now let me move to the home controller. In the home controller, I will write the code. What I will do is that let me declare final quick action. This is provided by the quick action library. Okay, quick actions equals to const quick actions. I have created the instance of quick actions class. Okay. After that, in the onInit method, I will use that object quick action dot. After that, we will use a method that is set shortcut item. Right now, here I will add the items, and to add the items, here I will use shortcut item. Then we will use a list. We will use a list of item. That's why here I have used this third bracket. Okay. Now here I will use const shortcut item. Now here I need to provide the type and the localized title. Okay. For the first one, I am giving the type as, let it be action setting, and let me give the localized title as setting. Right. After that, I will simply copy this and I will paste it here, and here I will use action help and I will give the title as help. Remember one thing, the value which we are specifying in the type, it must be unique. Okay. After that, here I will use quick actions dot initialize. Here I will specify the type, that will be, let me give the name as instead of type I will give let it be shortcut type. Okay. Now inside this parenthesis I will write if shortcut type equals to if it is action setting, then what will happen. Similarly, in else if I will write if it is action help, then what will happen. Okay. Now what is happening here, that you will understand once I run the project. This is the output. Okay. Now what I will do is that I will long press the icon of the app which has been installed. This is the app which has been created. Now let me long press here. Once I long press here, then you can see as a app shortcut this setting and help is coming, which I have created here. Okay. Now whenever I will click on setting, then what will happen? Similarly, whenever I will click on help, what will happen? That we need to define here. Okay. Now let me show you one more thing. Here I want to provide icon for this setting and help. To do that, in case of Android, we need to move to app src main res. Inside the drawable folder, here I have copied these two PNG files, help.png and setting.png. Okay. Similarly, for iOS, you need to expand this iOS runner. Inside this assets.xcassettes, you need to paste those two icon files, which is of type PNG. Right. Now after doing that, here we need to use one more attribute, which is icon, and here I need to specify the same image name which I have pasted here. This means here the image name must be help.png and setting.png. Okay, So in case of setting, here I am giving it as setting. There is no need to provide the extension, right? Icon, and here I will write help. Fine. Now let me run it once again. Now if you see the output, then you will see that when I long press this app icon, then this setting and help is coming with the icons. Okay. Now I will show you that whenever I will click on setting, I will move to the setting page, and to do that, here what I have done, inside the roots, inside the app roots, here I have created a setting. I have given the path as setting. Okay. In the app pages, whenever that path will be called, at that time this setting view page will be called, and this setting view I have created here. Okay. Here you can see I have just given the text as setting view is working. Okay. Now let me move to the home controller. Whenever I will click on this setting, then to move to that setting page, here I will call get dot to named, and here I will use routes dot setting. Okay. Now let me save this. Now let me show you the output. You can see this setting and help is coming. Now once I click on this setting, then you will see that it is going to the setting page. Okay. This is how quick action works in Flutter. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.